Boats came through here.
So this is lock 10. I'm gonna presume that means it's the 10th lock on the canal.
Sounds about right.
I don't know in which direction. Like, I don't know if lock 9 is this way or back that way. What's that? Does that sign give you any information?
It says this lock, well, locks in general compensated for the rise or fall in land elevation.
Yeah.
But boats in the lock chambers were raised or lowered by the addition or subtraction of water. So this is just,
right.
It doesn't say if there's another one coming.
Yeah, I don't claim to be an expert, but I remember in a field trip that I took in school, elementary school, we went to a canal town, and they taught us about how the locks work. And so the boats would like come in one side, and they had like a gate that they would like put up, and then they just like let out water, or put in water really, but the one I saw is they let the water out, and then they'd open the gate back up and the boat would continue down onto the lower water area. So that's all I know about locks. This has been a history lesson.